Do you like puppies?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like teacup puppies?
I've never met one, but yeah.
Teacup puppies are puppies that are so small they fit inside of a tiny teacup. So we're drawing a teacup puppy today. Yeah. And we're gonna draw it like our
Puppy.
Yeah, your grandma's puppy. So let's get started.
Yep.
Okay, got your marker?
Yep.
Yep, all we need are markers and paper and your imagination, right? Perfect. We're gonna start with cute googly eyes today. So let's draw a couple of circles in the middle of the page. Little round circles. And your grandma's dog is a Russell Terrier and Chihuahua mix, right? Yeah, so she's gonna be super cute with these round eyes. So we drew a couple of circles. Hey, you already moved on?
No, I'm just making them bigger.
Oh, got it. Okay, and then we're gonna, on the top left corner of those circles, draw a curved line so that that can be the shine in the eye, in the googly eye. And we're gonna color in the rest. And same thing on this other eye, just make a curved line on the top left corner and color in the rest. All right. And then we're gonna draw our doggy's head, part of her head. So we're going to make it come downward diagonally and round it and bring it back up. It's gonna be slightly triangular, okay? So let's start from right next to the left eye and bring a diagonal line towards the center bottom. Yeah, and then curve it a little. And then we're gonna do the same thing from this side, coming back down to that other curve. Yeah, good job. And we meet it right in the middle. And right here is where her little nose is gonna be. So we're gonna draw a small oval about the size of the eyes. Right in the middle. Yeah, good job. And then for the top of the head, but one ear is gonna be folded up, pointed up, and then one is gonna be folded down. Because that's what our dog does, huh? Yeah, so we're going to draw a rounded triangle, so no pointy corners on this side first. Okay, so we'll draw a horizontal line, slightly rounded out, a little bit above the eye. Yeah, and then we'll draw a curve down a little, and then bring that all the way down a little bit beyond the head ended. And then we'll bring that back up and curve it and connect it to the first point here. So it'll be a triangle shape. Yeah, and I'm just gonna clean up my line a little bit, make it the same thickness. Nice! Okay, so we're gonna finish the head of our dog. We're just gonna make a horizontal line, curve it down, and meet at the end of the face that we drew earlier. Okay? There you go. Good job! And then we'll draw another ear that's pointing upwards. So it's gonna be a rounded triangle pointing upwards. So again, we won't have any pointy corners. So let's draw a diagonal line out, round it, and then bring it all the way down back to the head. Yeah, and then we'll draw one curvy diagonal line inside for the fold of the ear. Good job. Okay, so here's the cute part. We're gonna draw the doggy's little paws on the side of her head. Okay? So we're just gonna draw a small oval right beside the nose here. A small flat oval on the side. And then another one on the other side. Right next to her head. Did you know it's National Puppy Day?
No.
Yeah. That's also why we got the idea of drawing a puppy. Okay, so for the puppy's paws, we're just gonna draw 2 lines in the middle, like this, so that it kind of looks like more like a paw. Simple, huh? Okay, now for the teacup. The puppy is going to be in a teacup. The teacup puppy is in a teacup.
Yep.
How silly is that? So we're gonna draw 1 horizontal line, just a little short, out from one of the paws and another one from the other side of the paw. And then we're just gonna draw a wide U shape connecting those 2 points so that we are drawing the teacup, the cup portion of the teacup. And we'll draw 2 circles out, and it won't be a full circle because it's gonna come out of the side of the cup. So just kind of like a C shape, but the opposite way, I guess. And then another smaller one in the inside for the teacup handle. And what are teacups on?
A little tray.
Yeah, a little saucer, right? So we'll draw a little curved line out and curve down, and then bring it all the way below the cup portion, and then we'll draw another curved line out and connect it to the other part. And we're missing one thing.
What is that?
The tail.
Oh.
The tail's just gonna stick out from the side. So let's draw a curved line coming out of the paw here because it's behind the paw. So we'll draw a curved line, kind of like a little, I don't know, like a sideways smiley. Yeah, and then we'll draw a line down and do a slight zigzag. And then bring it down. Just so it kind of looks like there's fur. And that's it! That's the end of our drawing. How simple!
Cute.
It's so cute. Now we're gonna color her. Alright, well, happy National Puppy Day, everyone. And thanks for joining us on this How to Draw a Teacup Puppy.
Bye.
Wait, we're gonna color. I guess I kind of said it like it was gonna end, huh? Okay, so I picked some good colors. We picked some brown colors because that's what our dog looks like. But you can pick any other color too. What are some funny things puppies do?
Do tricks.
Yeah, what kind of tricks?
Like flip.
Really?
Some puppies can do that.
Yeah, our puppy can't.
No.
Our puppy likes to do tricks whenever it's beneficial to her, right?
Yeah.
Like whenever she gets something.
Yeah.
She doesn't just do it.
Friends, I don't think you can even see it. I wonder if you can.
What do you do on National Puppy Day?
I don't know, hang out with puppies or something?
Oh, that's a good idea. I guess pretty obvious what you do on National Puppy Day, huh?
Yeah.
That was a silly question. Nice. What's that?
Design.
Oh! I thought you meant to draw some sort of something, like a heart.
No.
Good job! Well, there it is. A
teacup puppy.
come art along with us.
Bye, see you next time.